Okay, bear with me here. We're going to do a quick audible representation of the difference between Cherry MX blue switches, green switches, and then buckling spring. So here I have a couple different things. Up here at the top is my dad's keyboard with MX blue, that's plate mount. Here we have a poker with blues, which will be PCB mount. Here we have a QFR with plate mount blues, a QFR with plate mount greens, and then a Model M with buckling spring. Okay, I hope you can hear the differences between these, but let's give this a go.